Man, look at this. Look at this.
Oh my God, it's raining that hard?
Hell no. Oh my God. This is the first time.
It's not too ball.
Slow it down a little bit. The good news in store is not Sophia. Whoa!
Trying to help you out here. You're gonna have that shitty sticker thing to help you out. Well, I guess I won't go in the backyard. Solve that problem. In the lawn that's so. God.
This is a what? This is a heavy rain. This is heavy rain.
Well, it's not gonna rain very long.
I know it's supposed to be like this about 10 minutes. We got a spray thunderstorms all week. And we got claps of thunder too. No, we got lots of claps of thunder. We're gonna have a clap of thunderstorms right now. We're supposed to get thunderstorms all week, and we're gonna get some tonight, but it's afternoon night. I don't know if I could do that.
We weren't supposed to get no
That's
rain.
wind. We got wind.
We weren't supposed to get no rain.
Let me do.
Clear up. Look, west of here is clear sky.
But not that part. The backyard. Oh my God. Whoa. Look at that wet. So you wet. Get back. Okay, it just issued a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for this area right now. Mom, you heard this?
Yeah.
This issued a severe. Oh my God!
Push it down in there.
Look at this. Oh my God, that was. Oh my God. This is severe. Oh my God! Look at this.
Well, that's fine, then.